Well, Shemai nos waith and welcome to the second night of the Samhain celebrations of the Sorchar Nan Reul Church. So tonight, before we sing the ancient chant in the English language to welcome on this second night our loved ones and our ancestors home from the summerlands to be with us, we take a few moments of silent reflection and then we'll join together in saying the Lord's Prayer in the ancient reconstructed Norse language. And so we say together the Lord's Prayer. Federure fute alto hilvan, sithin name argor tobi kamathin richa, hi wrth o walla, or nero wal swam swam hilnanu, or nea nai swam liken laughs willy horse to die. And for new force or eglithas, swas wa way for a way vel thon gultendum, and nea larth was custom ger, archailusurs of a villa. So, Legion. And so on this, the second night of these Samhain celebrations, we now chant in the English language the ancient chant that is always sung during these three sacred nights, welcoming our loved ones and our ancestors home. Lights of Samhain shine out for me. Lights of Samhain, shine your light out for me. Lights of Samhain, guide them home. Guide our loved ones safely home. Lights of Samhain, guide them safely home. Thou in the darkness, the one true light, guide our loved ones, guide them safely home this night. Lights of Samhain, guide them safely home. Althorth ortason, thorth niagnoson, hailso egrforth, hailso erkarn, nortason nam, hailir, theste thing. Tatkang ekit hi liefde, erect skeldel orus to leila long benny. Und der Rande direkt gel into Mederik, Farah. Heliar hild het hill. Heliar hild die vrouw. Twometh heliar, twade. Ail-ddarllediad, ail-ddarllediad sinir, hail nocht och nipt o reith yn arhwn, Líthith o crathynig o'r gigeth sitiundon sigir. Hail i'r asir, hail ar o'r sinwyr. Hail sy'r informed nith yn ffwrdd môl y moc manfyd gybydd ochr bar yn ffem. O glac nis, Henry, Matthew, Niven. Thank you all for taking part in this live broadcast on the second night of the Samhain celebrations. May all of our loved ones and our ancestors join in these ancient celebrations with us on this sacred night from here at the Sorchar Nan Reul Church on this Friday evening. My blessings to you all.